Good morning, Facebook. Here we are in Long Beach. So this job here, we are gonna do in two phases. So it's a sand and refinish and an install. As you can hear, we got the saws going in there already. We're already ripping up some of the floor that's existing and basically installing new floor. So let's take a look. This house was built in the 1920s, so there's a lot of repairs going on. We got this old white oak floor. So we're going to be sanding and refinishing this in a couple of weeks, basically getting back to this. But the kitchen area and all that, we're going to install new floor. See the wood right there. You do the whole install, get everything going all the way back to that wall, and then come back in a week or two and then sand and finish everything. It's going to look really good once it's done. So stay tuned.